everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you how to do this simple one color granny square, so stay tuned. Round one starts with a magic loop or a magic circle. Place the yarn over your hand like this, then wrap it around your hand again, making a cross. Turn your hand over, go under the first strand, over the second one, twist the yarn in a clockwise direction, and then pick up that second loop. And that creates a magic circle. I'm going to chain 3, that will count as the first double crochet, and put 2 more double crochets into the ring. Chain 2, then repeat that around so you have 4 sets of 3 double crochets and 4 sets of chain 2 spaces. Check to be sure you've got 4 sets of 3 double crochets and 4 sets of chain 2 spaces. Then you can just pull that tail closed. To finish this round, I'm going to slip stitch into that first stitch and then slip stitch into the chain 2 space. And that will put me into the corner. Round 2 starts with 3 chains and then 2 more double crochets in the same corner space. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets in the same corner space. Chain 1, and then we're at the second corner. We'll do the same thing. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and then repeat that pattern all the way around to the end of this round. I'm almost at the end of this round. I finished the corner. I'll chain 1 again, and then again I'm going to slip stitch into these stitches so I can get to the corner. And that's the end of round 2. Round 3, from the corner, I'm going to chain 3 again, 2 more double crochets in the same space, chain 2, 3 more double crochets in the same corner space, and I'll chain 1, and in this chain 1 space from the previous round I'll put 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and then I'm at the second corner. I'll do the corners and the sides the same way. I'm approaching the end of round 3. I've got my 3 crochets in that chain 1 spot, chain 1, and then again go through those loops, slip stitch to the corner. And that's the end of round 3. Round 4, basically the same as round 3. From the corner I'll chain 3, counts as the first double crochet, then 2 more in the same space, chain 2 and 3 more double crochets in the same space, and then moving across the side we'll chain 1, and in each of these chain 1 spaces from the previous round we'll put 3 double crochets and continue around the same way. This is the end of row 4, and you can continue for as big as you want this to be. I'm going to finish this with an invisible join, and I'll have a link to a video that will help you with that if you're not sure how to finish. There we go, looking good.